How to turn on voice chat in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about enabling voice chat in Roblox. So you need to be at least 13 years old and you have to have a government issued ID to prove your age. And you also have to have a working microphone. So in order to turn on the voice chat, you need to verify your age. So go to your Roblox website, log into your account, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, and then go to settings. Now in the account info tab, go to your age or birthday section, and there you will see the option of verify my age. Simply tap on it. Now follow the instructions to scan your ID and take a selfie using your phone. Roblox uses a secure service to verify your ID and they delete your data afterwards. Now, once your age is verified, you need to go to the settings in the Roblox website again. After that, tap on privacy and content restrictions. Then go to communication. Tap on voice chat that is below the party option and simply toggle the switch for enable microphone. Now join a Roblox game that supports voice chat like Mic Up or Please Donate. And if the game supports it, you will see a microphone icon above your character or somewhere else in the screen. Make sure that your microphone is non-muted and your Roblox has permission to use a microphone in your computers or the browser settings. And once you're in the game, make sure that your mic is unmuted and you have allowed mic access to Roblox in your system or browser. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.